Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today I'm going to show you how to take a Schrader out of a Schrader fitting on this air conditioning.
This is a Schrader Removal tool. It is a tool that I purchased about 40 years ago. For the most part, they haven't really changed except for the isolation valve. On the new Schrader tools, they have a ball valve for the isolation valve. This is the stem valve that I just pulled out. It is the stem that will remove the old Schrader. It travels up and down the Schrader tool to remove the old Schrader and pull it out. What I'm showing you right now is the Schrader Removal tool that we will be using to actually grab the old Schrader and pull it out of its AC unit Schrader port. Once you remove the Schrader, you will pull it out and you will isolate that piece that is connected to the old Schrader port. My first suggestion would be to wear gloves just in case there might be some refrigerant spray. The next thing is you must always wear safety glasses when working around refrigerant. So first, we will need to remove the cap from the old Schrader. Next, we need to pull the stem out with the Schrader remover, making sure that the isolation valve in the center is open, and then attach the Schrader removal tool to the Schrader on the unit. Now we are going to take the stem that goes in and out and push it all the way in, and then you should be able to feel the Schrader that you are trying to remove. Once you feel the old Schrader in the Schrader tool, you are going to turn the long stem that has grabbed the old Schrader, and you are going to turn it counterclockwise to remove the old Schrader. When you do get the old Schrader out, you will feel the pressure of the refrigerant pushing the stem out. That is how you will know that you have removed the old Schrader. Once the stem comes out from the pressure of the refrigerant, you will need to close the isolation valve in the center of the Schrader removal tool. The refrigerant pressure will push the stem and the old Schrader out. Now we are going to close the isolation valve. Okay, we have the old Schrader out. Here is what the old Schrader looks like. So here is the new Schrader. We are going to place the new Schrader into the stem of the Schrader tool. Then we are going to screw the stem back into the Schrader tool. Next, we are going to open the isolation valve. And then after that, we are going to push the stem with the new Schrader all the way up into the Schrader port on the AC unit. This is easy enough to do, but you will have to push the stem up and hold it with your finger and use the other hand to turn the stem clockwise to get the new Schrader in place. Once the new Schrader is placed in the stem, you will need to screw the stem clockwise back into place. Then just tighten it until it is tight. Next, you can take the stem out, and whatever refrigerant pressure is in the stem will come out. After that, you should be able to remove the rest of the Schrader tool. Okay, we are done, and it is time to put your Schrader cap back on.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.